All right, I got a lot to unpack. I got some Fabfitfun here, and I'm pretty excited to get in and see what's inside. If you are too, stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me this evening, but if you're new, thanks so much for stopping by. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. And if you're returning, you know that I am a FabFitFun fanatic. And spring box is here. So before some of you have even gotten to customize, I did pay for the rush shipping to go over what some of the items look like. I'm trying to get these out so that you all can make some customization choices based upon what you're seeing. So outside of my box is in there, but outside of that, this is an add-on item. I went back and forth about whether or not I wanted this because it seemed fussy, but in the end, I broke down and I got it. So this is by Montes, I think it's pronounced. I actually have no idea. I'm just guessing. Not like I heard or somebody might have mentioned. I should have maybe listened to the Fabfitfun thing when they were saying it. But this is a bucket bag, super cute. All right, inside there's like one little pocket and it's like a cute size. This is made out of paper. Isn't that super cool? Which again had me a little worried. You get your crossbody. I don't know, I just thought it was so cute for the summer that I broke down and got it. Next, as an add-on by insert name here, I got this hair towel. One, I thought it was cute, and two, I did have a couple start to fray, so I did have to throw a couple out, so I wanted to replace it. And I mean, look at how stinking cute this is. Different pattern, oh, different shades. All right, inside you've got that microfiber, nice and thick. So I think that was $8 too. I thought that was a good price. By Gwen Stefani, her line, the GXVE. I did pick up, this is I think a lip plumping balm. Spark the Fire Plumping Lip Balm, yes. In the shade Love LUV. Oh my God, it smells so good. Color-wise, it's a sheer, the sheerest of pinks, and I'm super excited because I love a lip plumper. And then also by Gwen Stefani is the Can't Stop Staring Lengthening and Lifting Mascara. This is a mini, it was $5, and I was like, you know, I love me some mascara and I love me some Gwen Stefani lashes, so who knows? I'm sure they're not real, but in my mind, I'm gonna have lashes like her if I use her mascara, right? Then I ordered this sponge gel. This is I think it was an add-on. I think it was like a subscription you can always cancel, but the scents sounded really nice, and I haven't gotten some new sponge gel in a while, even though I probably have a whole closet full. Island Sunrise, Summer Breeze, and Seaside Moon. So these are infused body buffers, and they are great. I do love them. You can use them for about 14 to 16 uses usually, you know, maybe get 20 days out of it. And then, you know, you can still use them and put soap on them if you like. You can run them through some vinegar and baking soda wash and cut them up and use them in planters, or use them as planters for like beans. So lots of different things. You can cut them up after you've, you know, thoroughly washed them and use them as packing material, you know, just cut them up. Make sponge paintings with them with little kids, whatever you want to do. I also added in the Thrive Lip Balm in Cara. So in my other box, in my curated box that they curated, I got the Melissa. So this is the Cara. All right, very, very light. Love it. And Thrive is female founded, cruelty-free. They give back, so great brand. I know Gwen Stefani's brand is also cruelty-free. A lot of vegan products in her line too, I believe. I think this is the candle, the mystery candle, because I don't think I ordered a home bundle. And so that's why I was like looking a little confused. but I do get the mystery candle. So I'm thinking that this must be it. Sometimes I'll get the hair care bundle or the home bundle too. This time around I didn't. I got, I think, 3 of the boxes that they curated. So I said I got to cut back somewhere. I know what I'm getting in these boxes, so I'm going to just do that. So like I said, I think this is the mystery candle bundle. Usually you just get 1 candle. This is, okay, this is the ceramic vessel, it looks like. All right, so this is much bigger than the last time around. We got the little ones when it was an option for our box perhaps, but this is a much bigger one than last time. And the scent they sent was Lucky Hit. I don't remember if I liked this one or not. I know out of the set, I liked 1 out of the 3, and then when I got the refills, I liked 1 out of the 3. There were 3 different scents though. Nope, I don't like this one. It's just too musky, too sandalwoody for me. Notes of amber, nutmeg, patchouli, vanilla, musk, and clove. Yeah, that's not a me scent. And for the summer, I don't know that that's necessarily, that's a fall scent maybe. It's not a summer scent. I want a summer scent. That's all right. You win some, you lose some. It'll be a nice gift. My box is in here. I'm going to grab that out. I also have 3 mystery bundles, but I'm not going to do those today because I have to coordinate with Tammy over at Tammy Shows Merch, who wants to do a mystery bundle battle with a refill bundle. But typically, not all the time, typically the refill bags are all the same. Now, sometimes somebody will get like, I think they say 1 out of every 25 or something like that will get like a high value item. So every now and then you will see some different ones, but for the most part, you mostly are going to get the same thing. But I don't know if she is getting 3 or 2 or 1. So if she's getting 3, I'll just ask her what her numbers are and I'll pick one that I don't have the number of, and then she can pick, one that she doesn't have the number of. And if we're both getting 3 of them, I'm not sure. We'll just assign numbers, I don't know, randomly. Here is my little tiny box. Look at how tiny this is. Oh my goodness. So this is the second box that I customized. I do have 2 accounts because I just found it cheaper than adding on so many different things to just have 2 boxes. I think that this was category 1. This is the Fenty Cherry Dub body scrub, and it sounded delightful. I use body scrub pretty much every day. Oh, it does. It smells like cherries. Oh, it smells so good. I'm so excited. I'm almost done with my body scrub, so score right there. By Volition, I got the Getaway Glow Gradual Tan Firming Serum. This is for your face with peptides and niacinamides. This is vegan, cruelty-free, and safe science. And I think they said you can put this right on your hands and right on your face and your hands won't be orange. So we'll see about that. By Sensuals, I got their Brightening Body Scrub. Yeah, oh, I got 2 body scrubs. Look at that. I didn't even think I noticed that. I think in my mind, I thought that this was a body lotion. Smells like fresh oranges. I love the scent of the Sensuals line. It's always so fragrant. By Amika is the Smooth Over Frizz Fighting Treatment. So summertime comes and both Chloe and I need that because the salt air down here by the shore definitely will get to you. By Vacation, now this product I was so excited about. More so than almost any other product in here. So this is the Super Spritz. It's an SPF 50, but it's a setting spray. So set your makeup and have SPF all in one. Get out of here. I'm sold. Give me that. I think I got 2 of them. I think I have one coming in another curation. I love it. And then I got something for my Bandit Boy. So this is by Found My Animal, and they have this in 2 shades of pink and blue, but Chloe's favorite color is blue. So I got the blue. And what was neat about this, I mean, it's not the longest, but, and I thought it would be longer. I'm sure they told you how long it was, but I'm sure I just ignored that, was that you could wrap this around your waist, or you can crossbody it and then click it in. No, I don't think you clicked it in. I think you, where's the, I thought there was a clip on here. I thought there was supposed to be a clip of some sort. Because they had it like crossbodied, and I'm pretty sure it wasn't. Now, how am I, what kind of dog, that's not going to work for me. I was super excited because it showed you like crossbodying it and being able to hook your dog up. And I was like, oh, that's super cool, because sometimes I can't always watch Bandit, and he will be naughty if I'm not watching him. He'll go to the door, and if nobody sees him, he'll be like, oh, well, I tried, and then he'll just pee wherever. So I thought, well, this way I can keep him attached to me when I'm cooking or not paying attention to him, but I guess not. But it's still super cute. Not the longest, but that's all right. Super cute. All right, so that is my Fabfitfun box. Let me know your thoughts. What was your favorite item in the box? What are you going to customize with? If you're going to customize, again, that leash, buyer beware, it is not very long. I know it says on there how long it is. I probably didn't pay attention. I just saw that it was crossbodied or around the waist, hooked up to the dog, and like you'd have to have a St. Bernard. I don't know. And then you can't crossbody it. Like, you do that with a little dog, right? But anyway, let me know your thoughts. And let me know, if you haven't customized yet, but you're getting ready to, have I sold you on something, or have I dissuaded you from something? Let me know. All right, well, please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.